Good. So what the leader is going to do, I will do the leader part. After I cross and invade, or same, if you don't want to cross, if you feel this position is good, what you have to do is to pivot following your partner. So let's do it together. Now look, I pivot following my partner. Now, next step she will do will be backward. My foot is on her way. That's when I move it. And I cross. So let's see it from the beginning. 2, 3, and pivot, backward, cross it. So see that Mimi came back to the same position she was at the beginning, and I am with my feet crossed. I will show now the leader part separate. So 1, 2, 3, cross, sacada. I bring my partner around me. She's going to step backward. Look what they do. So this movement is a circle that makes me pivot and I cross. But see, my torso remains behind in relation to the turn because that's where my partner is. My hips torques more and the balance is something that you get by leaving your torso behind. If you move all together, it's more difficult for your balance. But if you move the lower part of your body and leave the torso in the same position, moving left, you will have good balance. 1, 2, 3, sacada. Calculate to cross at the moment that your partner is doing the forward step. And then from here, I repeat that she comes back in front of me, sacada, backward 8, to exit. Let's see it from that point of view. 2, 3, sacada. The turn, sacada, backward 8. And because the beginning and the end of the turn is the same, that means that you could restart the turn and repeat 1, 2, 3 times, like usually we do, maximum 3. Start with 1, just to show you that this turn ends where it begins. So that's a point you could restart it again. And if you exit, you are in a position to exit into a backward 8 because you are in cross system. Should we try?